Doritos! Today we will learn how to subtract mixed numbers. This is something very exciting, and I will teach you how to do it. But first, do you remember that sometimes when you subtract, there are some carries? And this is a subtraction. So now we will check if we need some carries. I will teach you how to check if we need carries. If 1/6 is bigger or smaller than 3/8. And first, for this step, I will grab 1/6 and 3/8. I will write it with this blue marker in this smaller whiteboard. So I will write 1/6 minus 3/8. For this multiplication, I will start in the number that is in the top. So I will do a cross multiplication. I will do 1 times 8. That it is equal to 8. And now 3 times 6. That it is equal to 18. Do you see it, Doritos? Yes, this fraction is bigger than this one. And we will not subtract a fraction smaller minus a fraction bigger than that smaller fraction. So, we will need some carries. Now I will grab this fraction, this mixed number, and I can write it as 4 plus 1 and 1/6. That it is exactly the same as 5 1/6, because 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So I will write it as 4 plus 1. 1/6. And now this is very exciting because we will learn how to transform this mixed number into an improper fraction. Let's do it! The first step is to multiply 1 times 6. That it is equal to 6. And then I add that answer plus this number that will be, sorry, I read as a multiplication symbol, but it is an addition symbol. So, 1 times 6, it is 6. And now I add this number that is in the top, plus 1 is equal to 7. So, 7 over this number that is equal to 6. The number in the denominator. Now, Doritos, let's do it! We will do the subtraction of these two fractions. But now it will not be 1/6, but it will be this 7/6. Now it is 7/6. So the subtraction will be 7/6 minus 3/8. So let's do it! I will write it in a red marker, with my red marker. So I will write 7/6 minus, now this fraction, that will be 3/8. First step is to take the lowest common multiple into 6 and into 8. But Doritos, no worries, because in another video I will teach you how to do it. And the lowest common multiple, I will teach you the lowest common multiple and the greatest common factor too. So the lowest common multiple in 6 and in 8 will be 24. I will write here my 24. Now, 24 divided into 6 will be 4. And 4 times 7, I will use my song! 7, 14, 21, 28. It must be equal to 28. It is equal to 28. So now, 24 divided into 8 will be 3. And 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Doritos, don't forget, we are doing a subtraction. So, I need to subtract 28 minus 9. Well, it will be 19 over this number that will be 24. So, it is equal to 19 over 24. We did it! But don't forget, we are subtracting mixed numbers. So, the answer must be a mixed number. So now we will not subtract 5 into 1, that will be 4, so 4. We need to subtract here 4, the number that it is here. This is our answer, and now 4 minus this number, the number 1. So, will be equal to 3. So our answer is, this is equal to this is equal to 3, 19 over 24. We did it, Doritos! We learned how to subtract mixed numbers, Doritos. This is amazing! Bye, Doritos. I hope you have learned how to subtract mixed numbers. See you in the next math adventure. Bye, Doritos. See you in another video.